This project was in Southampton. The client wanted to make the house bigger, more guests, more accommodations, so that's what we did. My name is Ryan Burnett. I own Long Island Building and Contracting Consultants. My partner and I are the general contractors for these projects. On the first floor, we renovated that master bedroom that was existing. Upstairs, we created that whole catwalk that walks now into your master ensuite. Everything in that area is brand new, built from scratch. That vanity was custom. That was a custom vanity that was built by Marcio. He does a lot of the high-end carpentry. As far as range goes, that client wanted a laundry room downstairs. We created a laundry room for her. They wanted a gym. We created a gym for them. We had to rip the entire roof off. There was a tremendous amount of reframing, so the entire house we masonite. It's a protective flooring that we put on, and then we tarped over it. These are some of the things that we've done. We had to match the cedar shake that was there. We did new HVAC, new electric. Going down to the basement, a lot of that ceiling had to come down. The one bedroom that you see down there was completely down to the studs, basically, because we had to get a massive header that had to expand from the front of the house to the back of the house. I don't want to say there's no job too small or too big, it's just a matter of having the resources to help you with those projects. We do always look out for the client, so when we get bigger projects like this, we try to pull the reins on unnecessarily spending, and most of the time people appreciate it, but sometimes people don't want to be told what they should or shouldn't do. People still refer to me as young, but this is over 25 years in the making.